welcome to Overland Subaru International. Today I'll show you my new rig. I'm so happy. Now the thing is, as you saw a couple of weeks ago, I got some problems in the mountains, so now that was the time for me to change it. Here's a couple of pictures very quick. You could actually pause if you want, but I'll show you how it started. First thing first, let's shop. Let's go see what's going on. Do we need something more pricey? Contact the dealer from Vancouver all the way down to Montreal. One day, that's gonna be a beautiful trip. It's gonna be round trip. Yeah, that's gonna be a hell of a day. So we're flying all the way down to Montreal, and we are arriving, as you could guess, in the snow. And I'm gonna shop for that car from Montreal going to Sherbrooke, go get the car, bring the car, take my plane back, and back to Vancouver. Here I go again. Let's go. We're flying. Then what's gonna happen is actually my parents will drive that car from Montreal all the way down by United States and bring me that beautiful baby. All right, my parents, it's their first time in Vancouver, so let's visit a couple of things. So this is actually the clock. We've been also to Photo Cove. We went to the beautiful waterfalls and everything, that's Squamish, and we went all the way down to Whistler, back to Vancouver, and now we're going to Harisson Hot Spring, and we want to show you once and for all that place. It's so gorgeous. Let's go right now. Hot Spring, yeah, well, it's actually in the mountains somewhere. I'll show you that right now. Until then, this is actually what's going on today. I've got my buddy James. We're meeting Francesco, which is in front with a 4Runner, and actually my new car. There you go, Subi number 2, 2018. And I just put these brand new tires over there, which is KO2s. And we're just starting to build that one because the other one is gone now. So I hope you're gonna like this episode. And so for now, let's see my friend where we're going. Today we are with my parents also, who actually bring me that car. And here's James right there. Hey, what's up, my man?
Just trying to get ready for the rough roads.
Yeah! Off-road, deflating the tires and everything. And we're gonna be in the trail soon enough. Alright guys, so right there, here is the reveal of that spot. And yes, there's some people who actually camp, and this is actually, we're in the mountains right now. Yeah, and boom, there you go. Check the spot. Wow, over there you've got the mountains. So this is actually, you think it's actually cloud, but yeah, mountains is over there and over there. Gorgeous. There you go. Welcome to BC, people. Harisson Lake on the east side. There you go, my man. Nice. Wow, what a spot. Check the view. Huh? Is it beautiful or what? Unreal. Yeah, man. What? Yay! In the car. Yep, going to the hot spring. So far so good. It's doing good. We're doing a new track and it's pretty nice. So let's look outside. Alright, so little problem over there. James just got up on in the trail and cut his tire straight up. You want to forward a bit, James?
No, I don't want to roll anywhere.
No, huh? Okay. Ah, Jesus fucking Christ, man. Shit! Cut off right there. It was not tough, these small rocks. Damn. All right. Do you want another one? I have another one if you want. Or you want to back up over there?
I've got like 4 straps. Let's try it.
Okay, so that's the plan. We'll see for the rest. Yeah.
It's all part of the adventure, yeah.
So we said these tire, James, was super good, right?
Yeah.
In the snow, everything, that thing was rolling in the snow, like it was crazy.
Which washout did you get to then? The one where you have to make that hard left?
Yeah,
and drop
exactly.
straight down?
That's a washout. They won't be able to
They
go
won't
there.
go through there, no?
No, they won't be able.
So that's the plan. Hooked down to a friend over there. Thank you very much for that. Jamie, if you need some help, let me know. We have some spectator here, like people looking, everything. Yes. So James, this is actually tire repair. 7 months old on that Wilderness. Thank you very much for that nice ride you give. And yeah, everything is good. There you go. Our new buddy Frank. Hey. What's up, man?
Not much, man. Waiting for Subaru guy.
You're always waiting for us. Oh well. After this event, we're all back on track with our new friend Frank. And yeah, behind James, it's all set up, everything is good. Recovery right into a hill at 22%-ish. And yeah, now we're going to the beach, have a good lunch. Yeah, that's it. That's some fun. Ooh, ribs. Ooh. Steak. Ooh la la. And James, yep, there we go. All right, so as you could see, we end up over there with a good lunch, and we have a very good time over there over the fire and everything. My parents were super happy actually to be around in BC, to enjoy the weekend with me and my buddies. Also get the chance to visit most of the big attractions in Vancouver and up to Squamish and Whistler. So they stayed 2 weeks in Vancouver, so that was kind of nice. Otherwise than that, we couldn't go to the creek because first there was a washout, second because of the tire blowout of James. So unfortunately we couldn't go again. That's gonna be hard. Looks like that thing is a mythical place to go. I don't know why, but here we go. Next week, I hope so. You got to be there. Until then, yes. See you next time. All right, guys. I hope you did like it, this episode right now. Now, I want you to show you another video down the corner over there. I'll meet you there, and I hope you like it. All right. Cheers, guys. Don't forget, there's link all the way down below. Cheers. Bye-bye.